Hello people, welcome to Code Connect. So, the browser war begins finally. As AI is becoming popular, companies are focusing on creating their own browsers. But why there is a sudden need of creating their own browsers? The answer is it will let companies full control over the user, like full control over the data, and they will let users use whichever AI they wanted them to use. Right now, Google Chrome is widely used and is one of the most majorly used web browser right now. And if people are searching on Google Chrome, then Google Chrome is using Gemini to answer people queries. So, like having your own browser is very important in terms of data perspective, in terms of scaling their own AI, in terms of competing in this AI race. And now is the best chance because as AI is in the starting phase, and people are very curious about using AI, and so this is a starting phase in which companies, if they created the browsers, they can attract customers towards them for using the AI, because AI, every company is experimenting with AI, and and all of them are in the starting phase. They don't have much features right now. So yeah, so companies like Google are creating Google is already adding AI to Chrome. Perplexity has launched Comet, which is the browser in which they are using Perplexity as the AI, and OpenAI also thinking of launching its own browser, and the browser company Kidak, browser company is launching the browser DIA, which is the AI first web browser. The race is on to become the AI browser everyone uses. So, talking about the browser company, its CEO Josh Miller last year said that they are stopped developing Arc. So he said that the Arc was loved by enthusiasts, but they were not able to scale it. So they started building DIA. So it is not like that. They have added AI to Arc and they have changed the name to DIA. So they have completely developed DIA from scratch, and they have used Chromium, which also powers Google Chrome for building this browser. So its interface is slightly similar to Chrome. So, but it's not Chrome. It's completely different. So they have given a lot of features in their browser, like a URL bar. So searching on the URL bar is like searching to the AI. You can ask questions. You can add PDF files, and you can ask the browser to summarize it PDF files. You can also search the web naturally and understand and interact with all open tabs. So as we see in the Chrome, we are having a lot of open tabs. Now we can give those tab context to the DIA browser, and the browser will help you answer your queries based on those tabs which you have selected. You can after selecting the tabs, you can ask AI to generate ideas based on the tabs content. You can also customize your assistant, AI assistant. You can customize the tone of voice, writing styles, coding preferences. It's like ChatGPT, but it's which had come to the browser, because in ChatGPT they have also this feature, but it's not to the browser. They have also opt-in history feature, they can have a context of 7 days of browsing history to answer your queries. So you can ask, let's suppose 5 days ago you have gone to some products and you checked out some products, and now you wanted what are the products I have watched in last 5 days. So you the browser will go to the history and give you the entire list of the products. So yeah, it's very helpful in that sense. But yeah, it is also leaking your privacy as well. They have added a skills feature. So yeah, just like we discussed, you can generate ideas based on your tabs content. So let's suppose you wanted AI to summarize a PDF, and you want the AI to summarize in some manner, you have added some rules for that, how AI should write the rules. But let's suppose you wanted to summarize it again and again. So every time you don't will be adding that prompt. So what you can do, you can add that skill. You can create a prompt and you can name that prompt something. And in order to use that, you can simply go to the browser and simply add. So you can go to the browser and the chat section, you can add / and the name of the prompt which you wanted to use. So it will simply fetch that prompt from there from the database. And they have also launched skills gallery. So you have full control, whether you wanted to make your prompt public or private, and you can see other people's skills as well. So it is community driven development they are trying to do with that. Similarly, Perplexity has also launched Comet. So like Comet, and in that browser they have AI agent, AI assistant, which they are calling as Comet assistant. So it can summarize your emails. Same thing can be done with DIA as well. It can read your calendars and give you, after reading your calendars, like you can ask it questions like how much time I have free in today. You can also manage tabs. You can even navigate websites for you. You can automate meetings, events, or trending topic research. However, Perplexity has a concern, like they have a privacy issue. Comet asks deep access to emails, calendars, and contacts, which is quite risky for initial phase, because like in initial phase there is a lot of risk of hacking, because like the company infra is not that developed. Now let's see the DIA browser. So like I have installed the DIA browser and I have opened it. If you wanted to install it, you can simply go to the DIA website, and they are having an option of download. So you can click here and they will ask for your email, and after having an email, the download will be started. And after the download started, you can simply open it, and it will ask to create account in DIA. And there is also a feature like you can move all the bookmarks and tabs and history from your Chrome to here. So yeah, this is a quite interesting feature, so that like it is quite easily you can move from one browser to another with this feature. So yeah, so like with this feature you can so let's move ahead. Yeah, as we have discussed, like you can summarize emails, you can write emails, you can customize emails. So if you see here, DIA is for learning, a tutor in every tab. So like if I search, let's suppose, what is AI? So yeah, you can see like the AI is like in the browser itself, like the answer is being given by the chatbot. And I can also search, if we see here, like if I need to web search, let's see how we can do web search here. Like if I search here, AI, what it is doing, man. Yeah, so if you see here, like in that in the same tab, if I go here and what is LLM, it's thinking. Yeah, you can search here with the Google, and it is given all the Google responses, and at the side by side it has opened also the chatbot as well, so you can communicate with it. And it is this tab, it's also selected here. Let's suppose I wanted to, if I wanted to add another tab here, there is option. Yeah, it is listing all the tabs, so you can add tab here. Let's suppose I wanted to add this tab. Yeah, if I write there, summarize this. So it summarizes all these things. You can also use skills. You can also add files here. If we go here and to the DIY skills section, so I will add all the links in the description. So yeah, you can see here DIA browser skills gallery for creative professionals, command shortcuts for instant social media research and productivity tasks using browser AI assistants. You can go over these videos to get more context. And if you see here, like if I wanted to add a LinkedIn post, so like someone has already created a script, has already written a prompt and edit and created a skill. So if you see the read the current page and create a LinkedIn post in my voice, 40% professional, 20% casual, 20% friendly, 20% authoritative. Include hooks that grabs attention in first line, 2-3 key insights from the content, personal perspective or experience connections, question to encourage engagement, relevant hashtags, keep it under 300 words, scannable with bullet points or emojis. So if I simply go to the DIA chatbot, and if I came here and if I, let's suppose I wanted to write like LinkedIn post on LLM, so I will simply go and click this. So it will create the LinkedIn post. You see, like it has added hashtags, And what exactly is LLM and why is everyone talking about it? Large language models are a breakthrough in artificial intelligence trained on massive amounts of text to understand and human language. They power tools like ChatGPT, enabling tasks for answering questions and translating languages to summarizing content and even writing code. So yeah, you can let's explore other skills as well. So yeah, you can add a Twitter thread as well. So if I Instagram captions, and I write here Instagram captions. See, like it can summarize competitor trends, identify trends from an industry content, extract trends from this content. 3 emerging patterns or shifts. What's driving these changes? Implications for professionals, client management and communications. Email purpose, follow-up, create follow-up messages after meeting or calls. Create a follow-up message based on this content. Thank you, opening, key points discussed, action items or next steps, timeline if mentioned, professional closing. Pitch, proposal, client brief. So there are a lot of skills there which are really helpful. Like they have great prompts. You can have a meeting notes, inspirations, brand voice, learning and development, create a comprehensive methodology, core principles, applications, design code tools, case study. So there are a lot of skills, and you can also create your own skills here. So this is a very good feature which is widely usable, I think. Yeah, like you can search directly in DI and Google, so they have given both options. Let's see if they are having more DIs for you. Privacy in DI, you are in control. So early access for ARC members. You can see personalize is off, and for personalization I can add here like who inspires you to shape taste and skills. Here I can add my skills, code skills, and new custom skills I can also add. So let's try a new skill, and let's name it something like keyword selector. In this I will read the page, read the document, and give me keywords which are resume friendly. So I'm adding this skill and I'm creating this. Let's copy this. So I think it's created. Now if I go here and if I do this, let's see it's giving keywords or not. Yeah, so here are resume friendly keywords. So you see the resume friendly comes from our prompt. Formal documents about large language models, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, all these things. These keywords highlight technical skills, AI expertise, and relevant applications that are valuable for roles in technology, data science, and AI driven industries. So it's very good. Yeah, I think in the browser we can specify our skills and we can give them the instructions how they can write, give us answers. So yeah, it's a good browser to explore, and in future they will be adding more features to it. And so moving ahead, I don't think like Chrome will be a monopoly. Chrome will be a browser everyone will be using right now, since this is quite friendly, quite comparable with Chrome, and if they are giving good features, then yeah, people will definitely switch from Chrome. Yeah, here you can access Gmail as well, all these things as well. So yeah, in future I don't think like there's a very hard competition being between the browsers. Yeah, as Perplexity launching Comet, and so this competition will drive a lot of features as well. So yeah, it will be good for the consumers. Yeah. So yeah, I think yeah, in future like we will be exploring Comet as well, and for more such videos I will be like adding more such videos like this, which will give you a knowledge of what is happening in the AI world. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Okay, bye.